अस्सलामुअलैकुम आखिर दावाकुम अनिल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। This is Muhammad Altaf. How are you all? I hope all of you would be fine. So far I have uploaded up to day 11. This is day 12. So we start with the name of Allah. That means Ya Ar-Rahmani. Ya Rahmani. Okay. This is day 12. In my last video, I clearly explained about what is the minimum eligibility so that each one must know that they have been having the connectivity with your body creator, that is Rahman Rahim, who is Rabbil Alameen and Malik Yawmiddin, or not. Make sure you can judge yourself whether you have been connected or not by checking a checklist by yourself after you have joined a 2 or 3 months tuition with Muhammad. Then only you will come to know each and everything and assurance. You must have to get assurance from Muhammad. Sallu alayhi wa sallu tasliman. Then only you can control in order that you may have not been fallen into such sin or sins by doing that you get a short short circuit. So you must join Muhammad. You must join Muhammad. सल्लु अलैहि व सल्लमु तस्लीमा. I taught you in my last video who are al-munafiqina and al-kafirina. Today I will teach you about al-mushrikina. Actually, these all identities like al-muslimina, al-mu'minina, al-mushrikina, nahi. Then after this comes the al-yahudo, al-nasara, and then al-mushrikina. Like that, al-kafirina and then al-munafiqina. Al-mushrikina and al-munafiqina, that about al-munafiqina I have explained in my last video, day 11. Today is day 12. Okay. About al-mushrikina, those people, those married men who believe and follow such things, such writings, which is not of Muhammad. And falsely claiming falsely claim that this is the writing of Muhammad. Followers are known as al-mushrikina, and teachers are known as al-mushrikuna. In other words, shirk is also known as riba. Riba, also known as riba. Not the words of Muhammad, like translation or interpretation or any book, like Bukhari, Tirmidhi, this or this Maslak, Hanfi, Thanvi, Hanfi, Thanvi, and Shafi and Bukhari. These all things which is written in there, which is not clearly written by Muhammad, this is all riba. Whether this is the writing for taking into their daily practice in their daily lifestyle, okay, this is called shirk. The calendar which shows 8 months summer, 8 months summer and 4 months winter. This is our Islamic calendar. Since the world came into existence, this calendar had been and will have been, has been and will have been. Till the world life is there, same. First 8 months will fall into the summer and 4 months into the winter. This calendar has been designed by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim based on the climate of desert land of the world. Okay. wherever people are in the world, they must focus the climate of desert, any desert land of the world, any, whether it is India or Pakistan or Middle East or Lebanon or Syria or Egypt or any, wherever the desert is there. Bahrain, I mean GCC, Yemen, obviously Iran, Iraq. This is all desert have been interconnected with one another. So time difference is very negligible. Same day we can celebrate the first date of any month. Okay, this is shirk. 4 months are summer, 8 months are summer, and after that winter season comes. The first month of winter comes here. This is 9th month, that is Ramadan. So Ramadan is the first month of winter. Ramadan and then 3 months of Al-Hajjah wal Umrah. Clear? So hormone, 4 months hormone, Ramadana and 3 months Al-Hajjah wal Umrah always fall in the winter season without any change. Okay. Ramadana never fall in the summer, neither Ramadana fall in the summer, nor Al-Hajjah wal Umrah fall in the summer season. This is for your information. So accordingly, you have to make sure to perform Ramadan month and Al-Hajjah wal Umrah. Clear? Shirk means or the al mushrikina is known as Ahlul Kitab. Ahlul Kitab is known as Al-Mushrikina, or you can say Al-Mushrikina known as Ahlul Kitab. Okay. If you read this Surah number 100, which is Al-Bayyinatu. Al-Bayyinatu. This is 100th Surah number as per serial wise from Rabbil Alamina. But in the market, when you buy the copy of Al-Quran, you will find this is 98. Okay, this is 98. But in actual, this is 100. In this 100 Suratun Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim has been writing Lam yakinal lazina kafaru min al-kitabi wal mushrikina. Wow, wow, having so many meaning. Some here, like here, Ahlul Kitabi wal Mushrikina. Ahlul Kitabi, in other words al Mushrikina. Somewhere it is also wa means and. Somewhere wa means as well as. Somewhere wa means and also. Like that, okay. So it depends which particular savalayate we are reading, and then with that particular savalayate we can find the conclusion ke what is the exactly meaning of va. Okay, yes. People falsely have been claiming that Christians are Ahlul Kitabe. No, no, wrong. Neither al Yahudo means Jews, nor Nasara means Christian, not at all. Okay, this is wrong concept, falsely claiming in the books which have no evidence of being a authorized person. Okay, like Muhammad. So this is wrong. These all identities, al-mushrikina, al-kafrina, al-munafiqina, kafrina, kafruna, mushrikuna, mushrikina, they all have been believing in Al-Quran, but their belief does not match with the sub-alayate of Al-Quran. On that basis, these identities have been designed by Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. How come they claim that Jews are Yahudo and Nasara are the Christian? How come? They do not believe in Al-Quran. They don't know reading and writing. How come? Yeah. So Please make your concept very clear. Only those people are available, only those people's identities are available in the Al-Quran. Those have been believing in Al-Quran, but they have not been following as per the order of Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim and not believing in the Muhammad. They say there was one Muhammad, no further Muhammad will come. That means they are Al-Kafirina. And those who teach this thing, they comes under Al-Kafiruna. Clear? So, now this is Al-Muslimina. Al-Mu'minina, along with their wife, general wife. Then after Al-Yahudu and An-Nasara. Okay. Al-Yahudu An-Nasara or Al-Mushrikina. Same thing. Then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this third one is Al-Kafirina, which is equal to Al-Munafiqina, like that. This is the categories of the people based on their amal, their identities have been designed. Clear? So, thanks. Bye. Maltaf. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Akhir da'wakum. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil Alameen. Bye.